What's up? So this is my bike check. I just got a ton of new parts today. Premium whiskey bars, 8.25 rise, 28 wide. ODI grips, I stretched them out a little bit. Fly bikes, Poiden Tencha stem. Animal integrated headset. We've got S&M pitchforks, had those for a little bit. Odyssey 8 tan wall tires, front and back. Deviant, Alienation Deviant front rim, actually the whole wheel. Got Odyssey 8 signature Nightwolf seat. Got the stolen Thermalite pivotal seat posts, premium 1948 cranks, the stolen class ring, I believe it is, chain wheel, sprocket, whatever you want to call it, Shadow Interlock V2 chain, and I got the Alienation 440 rim back here, the Eastern bidirectional cassette hub. And then Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, I forgot about those. They're pretty nice, I like them. It's pretty much all I ride. The 8 tire. Got the Shadow hub guard. And the, I don't know, just a random peg. Yeah. Got Demolition bottom bracket. Turn that around. There's the Demolition logo. And just etched in there. And then down here I got the premium death trap frame. It says premium and then products on the other side. This is 20.5 top tube, I believe. That's pretty much my bike. I like the integrated seat post clamp that's in here. It's nice. I like the placement of it. It's in the frame instead of having like a tab out here or right here. And then I also like, you can see right here, the laser etched logo in the premium whiskey bars. It's pretty nice. I like it. And I also like how smooth the head tube looks. The integrated part, it just kind of flows out. It's not really like welded. Just kind of flows out there. So that's my bike. Thanks for watching.